Oh, hey, how you doing? Professor Hiccup here. Today we're going to be doing a reaction video by special request. Basically, I have lost my list for people's requests for reactions, so I did a video, and in my video I said I lost my list, and do me a favor and feel free to drop your requests in there. Well, I just so happen to have three requests for this song. We have D Boy asked for this. Um, Skullface asked for this, and Wendy Croft asked for this. All three asked for the fourth impact version of Bridge Over Troubled Water, the So Young version. So let's get into this. But before we get into this, do me a favor. If you're new to my channel and you haven't been here before, feel free to subscribe. Subscribing is absolutely free. It costs you nothing. And not only that, but it's good for your health, it's good for the environment, and it's kitten approved. So I'm just saying it's a win-win for everyone. All right, and also I've done other fourth impact reaction videos, so go ahead and check those out. And I have lots of artists from all over the place. I got like 160 or 70 videos now up there. So check out who else I got up there. You might be surprised, and you might actually find somebody you actually like. So let's get into this. Fourth Impact, a tribute to all frontliners, Bridge Over Troubled Water, the So Hyung version.
When you're weary, feeling small, when tears are in your eyes, I will dry them all. I'm on your side. Oh, when times get rough and friends just can't be found, like a bridge over troubled water, I will let me down like a bridge over troubled water. I will let me
Just pause there before we get into the next part. So anyone who watches this channel regularly knows I absolutely love these girls. They're any there's four singers in this group, and any one of them could be a fantastic solo artist on their own. So throw them all together, just makes it even that much better. They've been through some hard times in the past few weeks, as a lot of people have. But go visit their channel, give them a little bit of love because, like I said, they've had some family problems. So go check out what happened and give them some support. But yeah, get back to this video. So far, I have not seen the So Young version, but I am very familiar with the Simon and Garfunkel version. So yeah, let's continue this. I'm loving it so far, but we've only had two sings so far.
down. When you're down and out, when you're on the street, when evening falls so hard, I will comfort you. I'll take your part.
pause for a second, but we'll go back so we can catch that part again. I was listening to the production, the mixing, because it's hard to do 4 voices at once and keep them distinct yet harmonic like they're doing, and whoever's doing the mixing is doing a fantastic job. It's really well done. I'm able to pick out each voice, and I still don't know who's who. Um, and I only remember one name, Celine, and I think she's the one on the left, um, which is I'm talking about this one, but I still don't know who's who yet. I'm trying to learn, but there's so many different artists I'm listening to right now. It's hard for me to remember who's who in anything. But yeah, like I said, the mixing is fantastic. I'm able to pick out all 4 voices, and with the instrumentation, and it's done very well. But with 4 singers, they also come into the hard thing that a lot of times they blend into each other, and that can get confusing. But this is done very well, very well. I rambled a lot to say very little, but I think you know where I'm going with it.
I'll take your part. Ooh, when darkness comes and pain is all around, like a bridge over troubled water.
Very nice, very nice. You know, I'm familiar with this song, and it's definitely a really good song to do as a tribute to frontliners. That the words work with that. I wasn't quite understanding the video why they're in wedding gowns. I think that's like wedding dresses, not gowns per se. But it was a beautiful video. They didn't show much except for the girls just in their dresses. So I don't really know what the concept was behind the video. But it's still absolutely beautiful version of the song, and befitting for what's going on nowadays and what's going on with them. So, like I said, visit their channel, give them some love, and for now, I'm gonna have to say that's a wrap.